All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what's going on? It's Young Water, and I'm here trading. We just hit 3 p.m., and it looks like market has formed a weekly gap. Now, every time a weekly gap happens, it has to come back and refill that. Now, last week when that happened, we were able to secure a bunch of money. So this is what we're gonna do here. Our Apex account only needs about $300 more to get funded. I was well unaware of that. It's right over here, Apex. So we're gonna keep a close eye on that. We are in this trade. We'll put our take profits at the previous daily high since we're already up here at the previous daily high. Other than that, we're going to stay tuned. We're going to see what happens. I just want to say thank you to everybody here in the stream. I got my lucky Coca-Cola cup. I think we're going to go up and retest the previous day high, and then we'll see what happens. But I just want to let you guys know I have my zones here pretty much all figured out, all out. We got a lot of orders down over here. We got this area down over here. We got a lot of things to just keep an eye out, all right? At the top, our previous day highs. We did that by going to our daily candlesticks. And we're going to see what happens. I just want to say thank you to everybody here in the chat. Thank you, everybody that's tuning in. It's Young Water, and I'm reporting to you live with more action. God is good. God is great. I really couldn't do this without him. Just want to let you guys know that. He's my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, the one and only. And we are live streaming here today. We are on YouTube and we are on what you call it, Kick. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the stream. Hope we make some money here today because we are copy trading 10 accounts. We don't have our live account trading right now, unfortunately, but we're just waiting on that deposit to fill with Ninja Trader. It's not filling. So we did get it along. We do need this to go up, and we'll see what happens. I mean, sometimes it takes a whole week to fill that weekly gap. Sometimes it fills right away. Already down about $100. Next candle's gonna emerge in the next minute, and then we'll see if we get that push towards the upside. And we got our take profits right up over here. So we'll see what will happen. I got high hopes in this. We don't want to risk too much, but we do want to make some money on this trade. So let's see what happens. Thank you for pulling up. Thank you for being here, everybody. Hoping we have a move towards the upside. That's what we need. Stop loss. Only in a risk about $400 here. There's a lot of orders at the top, so we'll see. Sometimes the market does like to pump fake and come down, but we're closer to these levels, so I'm just assuming we should be going up there to retest those levels. All right, guys, let's see what happens. Thanks for being here. Share this video with a friend, family member, and let's try to make some money. Like I told you guys, let's do this. Twitter. let's go. Let's get after it. Really don't want to push back down, honestly. I hope that just wasn't a pump fake, but there'll be a lot of manipulation. There will be a lot. Let's look at the RSI. It looks like the RSI is overbought. I mean, we could even get up here. So we still got a chance, but definitely pump fake this in the beginning of the market. We need to keep our eyes on that. Yo, alright. Aaron Sane to short. Short. Alright, let's get after it. Still want that bitch to pump right back up. A weekly gap now. We don't want no reversal, man. Every time we get a weekly gap like that, I really don't like the look of that. That bullish candle, cuz just stuck with my shit. No cap. Cause we gotta retest, that's why. Alright, let's see what happens. I'm gonna go take a longer. Alright, let's do this. How we doing, everybody? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are just getting started here. Welcome to the chat. And see what happens here today. We did form a weekly gap. This is pushing towards the upside. We did have that big bullish candle form right off the rip. And I really do think it might be going towards the fucking top, though. How we doing on RSI? That's what I'm saying, cuz. Cito. Bro, and a weekly gap just formed on here. I'm just taking a look at it. Let me see. So look, it just opened up hella high, like all the way. It just formed a weekly gap. You see that? Remember? Holy shit. Yeah. So if I would have shorted right when the market opened, we would have been down so much bread, bro. So, so what I'm doing now, I waited. It is going up right now. Um, I'm just gonna watch it, bro. I got my eye on it. All right. Yeah, it's good. I've been seeing the news, bro. I know someone's gonna talk in a little bit at 4 p.m. on our time. At 4? Yeah, I'm on it. I'll let you know. All right, bye. All right, call me. I will. I'll keep you posted. It too. I'll keep you posted. All right, brother. All right. I don't know what I was thinking. Reversing my position like a fucking bozo. I shouldn't have done that. I should have fucking stuck with my fucking position. Aaron! Come on, bruh. Brody, we are down on this trade, but it's all good. I'm gonna thug it out a little bit. But shit, if we would have went long right when the market opened, RSI's to the top, son. RSI is almost over 70. Last time I hit 70, 74, it just tanked. So I think I'm just gonna hold steady in this trade. That weekly gap is huge. It has to come down and fill that gap. Not even kidding. We got all our levels. Welcome, chat. How are you doing? We are looking at a lot of bread, but it's all good because it just takes one flip. I'm waiting for this to load up so I can trade on my ninja. Like, what the? From here to here, like, bro. Alright, RSI's all the way to the top. We poked above the Bollinger Bands. I'm hoping for a reversal towards the downside. If we could do that, that would be great. I got my kebab. Arab, Middle Eastern food. Fire. Boom. Boom. Fire. Mm-hmm. Bro, what are you trying to say? Just wait. What are you trying to say? Yeah, for the gap, it could be fake out, it could be for the gap. Every time there's a gap, it has to refill it. Wow, this is weird, bro. Yeah. So when you're already to that line, what do you look for to see if it's going to be a continuation or it's going to pull back? It's pulling back right now. No, we used to time to keep going either way, you know. All right, we're in profits now. Are you already open to trade? Yeah, I'm streaming. I'm already in a trade too. Wait, are you staying low or what? Yeah, I'm shorting right now. Right now? Yes, nigga. I mean, bro, I'm in a trade. Nigga, is that your live account or what? No, I'm still waiting on the deposit. It takes 2 days. But are you guys gonna come over and barbecue? What are you doing? I'm shorting, bro. At the my price that I'm in at. I'll tell you right now. We're looking good on this short though. Don't even trip. So let me see. Wait, are you sticking with short, right? That's what you're doing? Yeah. All right, nigga. Well, this is what's gonna happen. Most likely, it's gonna go all the way to the top. You're probably gonna be down, and then it's gonna hit, and you're gonna come down. Well, I'm using these accounts right here. These Lucids have a fucking drawdown rule, the 1,200. So the most we can come down, nigga, is $1,200 on all of these. I'm just saying, it's gonna go. Oh, I have one that's no drawdown. It's gonna go all the way up to your previous day high, like right now. It's gonna be bouncing up there, and that's when it's gonna decide if it's gonna go up or it's gonna go down. I understand. Bro, I checked my accounts, right? And my Apex, bro, Apex needs, well, now it's down a little bit, but when I first got online, it needed we need $300 more to pass that Apex, bro. No way. Yeah. And it's funded. But yeah, I mean, it could definitely pass that. You know what I mean? Nigga, I just don't know why you fucking shorting it right now. Like, if it's gonna go down right now, it's just gonna gotta go up, retest, and then decide if it's gonna come down or up. I understand. Well, I should have fucking got out of the trade then, nigga. You should have said something. Nigga, you already know what's going on. I don't know what, bro. Where are you right now? You haven't answered one of my questions. You never gave me no update. You're supposed to be over here, nigga, and you over here talking out your ass, talking about, oh, I knew, no, I told you, nigga. Stop, bro. Nigga, where are you? You finished the gym, nigga. You went to the ATM. Did you shower? Did you change? Are you coming?
I went to the bank. I'm outside of the gym. I want to keep hitting the gym. I'm on the phone with you watching this shit. Here, hold on. I got 1%. Let me call you from my other phone.
You're good. All right. We poked out this band big time. I'm thinking, fuck. It might retest and come right back down. Don't want to break out. It's the last thing I want. Oh my god. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully we get to calm down and I can just be a happy camper and just be up in profits, because sometimes it does play around and doesn't come back up and retest previous day highs. But in this point, I think it will. I definitely should have waited, like Lala was saying. And it's just a patience game at this point. RSI is really up here, though. Last time I was at this range, we tanked. So let's keep a close eye on the market. It'll be a lot of pump fakes, a lot of manipulation. But in the meantime, we got this kebab right here and try to enjoy it. How we doing, chat? How's everyone's day going? God bless you all. God bless you all. I do not speak Spanish, Andres. Alecita y después viene por el gap. So he's talking about the gap. I see the gap. I see what he's talking about. We do have a weekly gap that has formed. Now, every single time a weekly gap has formed, we have to come back down and refill the gap. This kebab is so fire. I can't. RSI is really high. I do see this coming down. Hopefully to refill the gap early on in the week. Like right now. Let's see what happens. I'm only saying this because we're down a lot of money. We gotta get up. Gotta get the bread up. This is the only way we should come down. And if we do, today is a successful trading day. All we're looking for is shorts. There's some news coming out, I guess, around 4 o'clock. I'll see what they're talking about. Kids are with my mom. We went to Target. We went to Sky Zone. They got some candy, some toys. We got to play. They had a lot of fun. That's what it's all about. One more minute. Be a bear scandal, no? Even better, John Wicker. How's everyone's day going? What's up, chat? We got Andreas, we got Ayo, we got Aaron. Hop on Kick. We got people in Kick. Welcome aboard. Let me see what we can do. We got one indecisive candle. We are gonna see what we can do. We got about 4 minutes in this candle. How we doing, everybody? Welcome to the stream. We are trying to fill the weekly gap that has formed. It's gonna happen. It's inevitable. We still got our previous day highs up at that green line. So there's a huge chance we're gonna get up there and retest those levels. And if we don't, great. If we do, whatever, we should still be in this trade. And then we're just gonna rock and roll towards the downside. I'm hoping that would be amazing. All those people that got in long right when market opened, congratulations, you're up. The fuck? It's way too hot. There's that manipulation or possibly that move towards the upside. So it could be one of the two. We still got 3 minutes in this candle. We're at like 65 RSI. So we are overbought in a way. I mean, overbought really is when it gets up to like these levels, or like this level 75. 75 was up over here. Boom. So we definitely are on the overbought side. Nothing too crazy. But if we do come down and fill this weekly gap, that's all I'm asking for. We waited for market to open, weekly gap formed. A lot of indecisive candlestick movement. That's easy for you. Let's see what happens here. Buyers and trying. They're definitely trying. Shit. 1 minute, fuck with me, bro. Still. The fuck is that shit? They need to come down. We got resistance up here. Alright, we can resistance. Resistance. Resistance here. Right at my fucking buying. My shit's so ugly right now. Where is that? I'm fucking pushing out. Alright. What is going on? We still might go back up and fucking retest the previous day high, so it's all good. Even if we do, still gotta fill the weekly gap somehow. Come on, gang. It's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. We got 2 indecisive candlesticks. 2 in a row. wish my fucking hurricane. Alright, size. Alright, let's come down, baby. Let's come down. I want to keep going here the ball, bro. Gang, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my laptop. Let's see what we can look up on here. I don't know, bro. I don't know if it's gonna fill the gap or not, but I don't want to just pull out this trade right this early. You feel me? I'm gonna be streaming in the morning. We'll see. All right, so looks like I mean, it could be teasing me, but I really do want that sucker to come down. I really do. It could be pump faking. We still got 5 minutes in this candlestick. It could be a push to the upside. Who knows what it's gonna do? Sell it. So like when you see a candlestick like this, bro, and then all these indecisive candlesticks, it just makes you think like it really is thinking really hard. It really could go both ways. Man, I've been trading like realistically, like actually with prop firms and trying hard for a month and a half. But I've been looking at charts and crypto for years, like over 10 years. That's really what my little background. If we get that fill nice and early, that is exactly what I'm asking for. We'll see what happens. That would be amazing, though. I'm not gonna lie. Let's go. Is this the push that I was looking towards the downside? We do have resistance right over here. If If we can come down below that, we should be good. That's like the line I want to look at right there. We need that push towards the downside. Let's go. That's what I need right now. That is what we need, gang. Just don't want that pump fake and then switch back up. That would be disgusting. Oh, we're gonna play some music. This is my boy Justin Holmes. Shout out Justin Holmes.
You know, in the Bible, Mark 9:23 says, all things are possible to he who believes.
All things are possible for he who believes. You guys hear that?
You gotta stand on something, baby. When you fall from anything. Feel me? Yeah, they got it, Bobby. Ain't no way, dog.
No way.
Ain't no way they gon' stop me. I got the power of the angels above me. The Lord got me and he say that he love me. Ain't no way that they touch me. Ain't no way, dog. Ain't no way they gon' stop me. I got the power of the angels above me. The Lord got me and he say that he love me.
I made a lot of money with crypto. I turned 12K into $136,000. I think you can even still see it on my Coinbase. Hold on, let me check real fast.
Complete 180. I had to switch up my style. That red rose that grew up the concrete, ain't no denial, baby.
Funk and safe, bro. I remember that shit.
Ain't no way that they touch me.
Here, you can kind of see this shit, but I was up there, boy. There's like 115,000 right there. That's just in my Coinbase. But crypto really, that shit really fun. If we get this candle to close in the next minute underneath this white one right, oh nice. Alright, I'm gonna get in one more contract. Boom, now we're in 5 contracts on this short. Hopefully we get to come down and throw the jab. Buck out of me right there. Hold on. I don't think so. We get closed down up over here. It's just the buyers trying to take control. We're still at 63 RSI. We're still up over here. When I get that up over here, we're at 60 over 63. We need to come down and break those zones.
Feeling for the cash flow. And yes, I'm nice, so I don't mean to be an asshole. And there's some reasons I've been dreaming about your ass, though. That's alright, cause I just need to stack this cash more. Look, I'm fully loaded with this ammo. So bitch, don't play, I had to get it since the tap hole. A cold nigga, yeah, I've been up in my bag hole. Can't fumble about a bitch, you know I had to pass those. I put you to the test, but you ain't pass hole. Now you just my pass hole. Left you in the pass hole. No, we don't get along. On top of that, we gon' put the cherry on. My mama's back, yeah, bring no carry on. Calibrate the clip, and I aim it at your face. Look, I was in the whip, doing 80 on that shit. If they really had to talk, you know them niggas had the shit. And you know I had to walk, cause my niggas got a stick. I'm a pimp, baby, yeah, I've been a demon in the nighttime. Yeah, it's the reason I was wrong at the right time. So much pain in my mind, so I really had to fight mom. Fight mom, the demons in the nighttime. Yeah. Yeah, you got got demons that ain't like mine. I hit you back when it's the right time. You did me wrong at the right time. The end of this pipeline, and I ain't stepping on no landmines. I go to war when it's about mine. Your demons that don't like mine, and it's the reason we was going back and forth trying to get even on the demon in the nighttime. Yeah, you got demons that were like mine. And your demons that don't like mine. Demons in the nighttime. Demon in the nighttime. Did me wrong at the right time. A demon in the nighttime. You got demons that don't like mine. You got demons that ain't like mine. A demon in the nighttime. Demon in the nighttime. Demon in the right time. This crime, bitch, you ain't cut no lines in a minute. You wasn't doing that when I was in it. You wasn't doing that when you was winning. And now nigga done turned into a demon in the nighttime. But I'm an angel in the right mind. And I'm unable to love you within this lifetime. In this crazy little world of mine. In this crazy little world of mine. Touch the safe and leave the world behind just like I left you at. I ain't got no time for you, little baby, left you in the past. Demon in these streets up on these niggas' head. I don't give a fuck, I pull up on them, leave these niggas dead. Got a lot of feelings in my chest and I be seeing red. Murder what she wrote and that's the last thing these niggas read. Cause I'm a demon in the night, she feeling for this fight, y'all. Pull up on the kid, she better get one now. Shawty choosing us, she can stay on her side now. I don't give a fuck cause I'm a demon in the night now. I found my reasons in the right rhymes, yeah. I found my demons in the night time, yeah. I don't want a girl just for me, don't get even. I don't want a girl just for me, don't get even.
Feeding for this cash flow.
Feeding for the cash flow. And yes, I'm nice, so I don't mean to be an asshole.
I'm not trying to keep listening to this song, bro. I apologize.
I'm fully loaded with this ammo. So bitch don't play, I had
to get it back, tap off. Alright. So look. Resistance as well. Just 1 minute. Let's go back to that 5 minute. Boom, looking good, good. Boom. Boom, boom. Okay. So these are the levels we're trying to keep an eye on now, as you see. And if we do break below this, boys and girls, we're in pretty good shape. I'm just letting you know that right now. And then we will fill the gap. But I had to get a good tempo. And just like that, I'm not gonna speak too soon, but we made a long way. We made a long way. We actually rode that all the way to the top. We had some resistance right here, and if you bring this box over here, as you see, boom, there's some resistance right here, and I'm not gonna go all the way back, but there's a lot of resistance in these levels. And that's what it was fighting right there. Bounced off resistance, bounced off, came down, bounced off. See that? Bounce, bounce. We're gonna put the arrows there for you guys that cannot notice the pin. So we have resistance point right there, right? And then we have another one here, Boom. Boom. Bounced off. Boom. Make that yellow. Or actually, let's make it blue. Like the other one, like text. We can make red. Boom. 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 Alright. So now that we have those two marks with the resistance levels, we broke down. Okay, we broke down. All the positions should be green. We got about like $200 to reclaim. It's not bad. Whatever. $200 is literally to the next resistance. We need $1,500 would be a blessing, and that will fill this gap. Even if we grab 8, come down here to this. Back over there. Okay, so just remember we have this box down up over here. You got these levels of resistance that it bounced off twice. We have another one right here. Let's go ahead and put that in for those people that need to see it. So we had another point of resistance. Resistance point, bounce. Boom, boom. So now that we are in profits, we are going to grab our short position, enter that in there. We're going to bring our stop loss down to this mark. And we are going to try to get a 150 point move. This is pretty much a 1 to 2. If we can achieve that somehow, some way. Right? With that being said, let's try to make this move to the next resistance point, and we'll see what will happen. Got a lot of things to look at here. There's those 3 points of resistance, pretty much almost 4. No, you can't even get close over here. Never mind. It's pretty much up here, up here, up here. All right, guys. Yo, my bad. My voice is low. I'm not even talking loud. I need to speak up. I appreciate that. JewX18734. Can I get some follows on here? What's up, chat? I've been streaming on Kick. It is so hard to get followers on Kick. You guys have no idea how hard it is. On my YouTube, I have 4,000 subscribers, and I get like 170 plus viewers every time I stream. It's so hard to get followers. It's so hard to get subscribers, but my YouTube people, you know, they really get it in. All right, gang, how we doing here? Let's get some subscribers, some chats. Homeboy, what's going on with you? All right. I appreciate it. I appreciate the follow, brother. I do appreciate it. So we're making our way into the next resistance zone, which I'm going to. Oh, freak me, freak me. Sorry. All right, boom. All right. Got more resistance up over here. Oh, I'm gonna keep an eye on those levels because it is making its way down. We're gonna bring our stop down to the top of the wick here. Now we're risking only 500 to make 1500. So that's pretty much what I'm trying to do here is keep these gains pushing. We got to break to the downside. Bring my stop loss down. Bring my stop loss down. And now we're in resistance. Okay, so boom, you see how it's struggling there in resistance? We are if we break down below this, you guys, we are golden. But it's fighting. We need that break out. So real quick, I'm gonna secure this. I'm just gonna wait real fast. Hold on. Only because we're gonna wait for that confirmation. We want all these accounts in the positives for the time being. Please just bear with me. So we had that retrace. Boom, you see that? So if we would have kept shorting, we would have lost out on all that bread. But let's wait for that confirmation and that breakout because we could just go long. We just want to take those funds, wait for confirmation, wait for the breakout. If it does break out, we can get up on out of there. All right. We're all good. We're all good. What is this? Tradeify? Why is this one not on? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go. Now we have all of them running. So boom, we have another candle. Let's see if we get the breakout. Because this could be going towards the upside. So we came down, retested. We're going to wait for entry. Because it could come down and retest one more time. We were down on all those accounts. We just took that loss that we first got into when we market first opened and washed it. Now all these accounts are up. This one's up $132. All the rest are, you know, just pretty much brand new accounts. We're going to keep going here. We're going to wait for this retest. Let's go back to the 1 minute, see how it's looking. So 1 minute is on the lower end. You see what I mean? Still got that range. We still got that range. Looks like we're getting that push towards the upside. Let's go to our 5 minute. If this candle closes indecisive, do we have any 5 minute fair value gaps or fair value gaps? No. Let's go back to the 5 minute. Boom. All right. So we're in that area where we have to watch this very carefully. Let's go back to the 1 minute. And here it comes. All right. 5 minute. Boom. Let's go for a long right here. Pass rejected off resistance. This candlestick still has a couple minutes in it. side. We're at 60. We have 11 open positions, which is pretty insane. I think we should be just retested. We should wait for reconfirmation. 28,610. 20. No way, bro. My dog. Get after it. You're a savage. You're a savage. All right, here we go. All right, guys, are we going to get this rejection and push to the upside? We're going to find out right here. This candlestick closes in about 1 minute. See what happens. My boy, I'm in a long position too now, so it's way better than the one that I was in at the top. We do have those 2 rejection points. I am keeping an eye on it over here, and over here. For the most part, we do need to push towards the upside for our longs to play out. Boom, we had a... All right, let's see what happens, because sellers are really trying their hardest right now. If we get a nice push towards the upside, that would be amazing. We can take profits. Even if we take profits at previous dailies, I think we're good. We're going to come down and risk 350 here. Sellers are trying really hard right now. All right, gang. Yes, come on, we need that breakout, please. Because we want to retest the previous daily highs. If we can do that, we are golden. I'm in on 5 contracts. That's exactly what I need. Alright, let's go. Let's try to hit again. We're in a long position. We're in there for 5 micros. We're risking $440 in order to make $1,500 about. So let's see what happens. Trying to get this trade right here. Our TP is previous daily highs. After that weekly gap, hopefully we got in a good position. We'll see here. We might have to adjust our take profits. hiccups. Oh boy. All right. All right, staying this one strong, guys. Trying to come down and retest again. So this is our second retest. If we get another rejection, see how it's retesting that support, resistance. That's where that candle dropped. Bring this down to 500. Very scary stuff. We want a rejection, all right? That's what we want. Because if it does come down, I'm telling y'all, we'll be smoked out of this trade. And we'll have to get off, take a break. We want a rejection. We want to push towards the upside. That's what we're looking for. This candle's going to close in 2 minutes. Let's take it to one minute. Yeah, the 1 minute close underneath. Not a good sign. It's downtrending on the 1 minute. It's downtrending on the 1 minute. We want to break out. And here's another point. Looks like we rejected. Let's go back to the 5 minute. It's looking really ugly here. Got that resistance right there. Sellers look like they are in control right now, which is insane. It closed, but we're in that resistance zone. I was shorting that bitch too. I was shorting that hoe from the top too, bro. Come on, water. I'm telling y'all, man. Law, how you say it? Law? Hey, Law of Eternity, how you doing? How you doing, man? How you doing? Phil 553. For a long? You filled for a long at 553? At the bottom of the resistance? Damn, very good, bro. Yo. There it is. Definitely came down. That wick, bro, is disgusting. It's that resistance. It's all them orders right there. So it looks like we had another rejection off support, but this thing just has to keep going up for us to reclaim that territory. We got that resistance that I'm taking accountability for. Here, here, here. So it just all depends on this candle. I would love to push towards the upside and challenge previous daily highs. Still think, even though it came all the way down here, I think we're pretty good. Good luck on your long position. Law of eternity, you should be up some money right now, brother. Good job. You damn near bottom wick that shit, bro. Alright, we want that push to the upside. Let's rock and roll. Are we coming? Are we rejecting off resistance? What's going on? All those different levels there. You don't want to get wicked out of this trade. We got about 1 more minute before this candle closes. For the most part, I just want it to run. It's right in the middle of that resistance, dude. It's right in the middle of it. Need that bounce off. Bounce up towards the upside, baby. Law of eternity, you should be up on your long position. I don't know how much contracts you're in, but if you really did get in at 553, you're up. Down about 20 points on this trade. 1 NQ, still not bad. Still up some money. Green money is good money. All right, we're right in the middle of that resistance zone, guys. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen here. We're gonna push through it, because if we push through it, we're going up to the upside. Honestly, if I did wait, sometimes it's always good to get in, like just like how Law of Eternity got in at that bottom wick, because he waited for resistance, he waited for the retest. After we went back up over it, we came down, we retested it. I'm going to show you guys where. Right here. Call out. So boom. All right. So we retested support. Retested support right there. And then another call out. Retested support again. So tested support again. Right there. Just like both of those times. Could not get through. We got about 3 minutes in this candle. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 3 different times. And this is the one that we need to be a good candle right here, the one that we're in. This buddy needs to go up. 3-bar reverse confirms it. We got 1 more minute in this candle. We're trying to break above this resistance, and hopefully it will be towards all the way towards the upside. It will all be good. Everyone will be happy. Yes, we had a good close on that one. Had a good close. We had a good close. We had a good close. We need another push. We need another push. We're gonna move our stop loss a little up to right here. It's 4:30 now. Are we gonna get another retest? We are gonna find out. If this one breaks out now, we're in good shape. I don't like that. Put this right back to where I had it. All right. See what happens, guys. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. All right, let's go. Let's do it. Come on. We got this, gang. We got this. We got a lot going on. We got a lot going on. Ladies and gentlemen, we got a lot going on. We're risking $500 on this trade. I gotta get the hell off of this. All right, yo. Let's go. There's that breakout we were looking for, guys. There's that breakout. There's that breakout. Let's go! Ain't no way, baby.
You gotta stand on something, baby. You fall for anything.
Hey, listen. Hey, this really might pump. And if it does, so boom, there's the third retest. We going up. Guys, we're copy trading right now. Ain't no way, cuz.
Ain't no way they gon' stop me. I got the power of the angels above me. The Lord got me and he say that he love me. Ain't no way that they touch me. No much religion, but I know that I'm forgiven. Christ went through crucifixion to give me something to live in. Gathering up disciples, I'm gearing up for survival. Thoroughly versed like Bibles, I'm ready to see my rivals. Look, nah, I wasn't blind, little baby, just had my eyes closed. Fighting with some demons inside me, took them to trial. Complete 180, I had to switch up my style. That red rose that grew up the concrete, ain't no denial, baby. Ain't no way they gon' stop me. I got the power of the angels above me. The Lord got me and he say that he love me. Ain't no way that they touch me. Ain't no way they gon' stop me. I got the power of the angels above me. The Lord got me and he say that he love me. Ain't no way they gon' touch me. Through the valley of the shadow of death. 45 for protection, gotta stay on my flesh. The Lord right beside me, he with every step. Won't be down for too long, I know it's only a test. I'm never gonna lose. I don't play all the rules, I carry them tools. You don't wanna see me get loose. Tell you the truth, I get a game, every excuse. I changed how I move and watch my situation improve. Cause I've been through fire, body fully covered in wounds. I lived as a lie, and now I'm dedicated to the truth. I had a choice to decide, it wasn't easy to choose. I put my pride to the side and started peeping the clues. I see money don't buy you loyalty, money might get you wrecked. Money don't mean you royalty, money don't mean respect. I put my mind on my hustle, muzzle up to the sky. The Lord told me to take a shot, I hit him right in the eye. There ain't no way.
Look at that close, guys. Look at that close, guys. Look at that close, guys. Oh, look at that close. All right, we only need 300 on my Apex, so let's see which one's my Apex. Apex is the second one, so that's the one we gotta flatten. $52.7. I only need $300 to get my Apex funded. So once we hit that $300 right here, we are gonna fly to this position.
And yes, I'm nice, so I don't mean to be an asshole. And it's some reasons I've been dreaming about your ass, though. That's alright, cause I just need to stack this cash.
Yo, hold on. Let me tell you guys something real quick. First and foremost, I love you guys. Whoever's in this chat, yo, God bless you, yo. We really gonna hit together. Today's a good day. And yeah, I mean, we're about to hit. That's all that really matters, is we're gonna make some money together. And that's what we do here. It's literally. Looking for some music, man. Ain't no way. Alright, let's go, yo. We only need $300 in the Apex for us to get funded, gang. We only need $300 in the Apex account to get funded. I'm hoping we make our way up to the top, yo. I mean, I'm just gonna leave it right here to be safe, to be honest. 4:30. We gonna see what's gonna happen.
Yeah. Hey, why you bitch touch my phone? See that ride, know how I move when you take ride. I'm on, then come home, cause baby I'm a pip, don't wanna skate, yeah. I'm on two, baby, so they get up on the knees. I'm cool, on two, you, I'm gone. I got my two, yeah, right. Using She was in my bed, give me down, yeah, I'm talking about Sarah. You may say you're hilarious. You did me wrong, so I guess I gotta move on. Gotta call my bitch Sierra. Body colder than a Sierra. She's a freak, I can see it in her eyes. Turning young nigga to a thief in the night, then I go home to Sarah. Wow, I'm thinking about Sierra. You did me wrong, so I guess I gotta move on. Yeah, Sierra. Where have you been, Sierra? You don't respond, turn the thief in the night. Got me feeling so wrong, I'ma bleed with this type, so I'm in a bad Sarah. Where have you been, Sarah? I just got home. Who the fuck you got in my room? See the phone sitting on the dresser. I'm that phone, I seen Sierra. I just fucked Sierra. What the fuck going on? What the fuck going on? Who you got in my room? What the fuck going on? Who you got in my room? Sierra. What the fuck going on? Who you got in my room? My nigga done knocked on the door, yeah, I gotta get home.
What's your Instagram? Throw it down up in here. What is it?
He let off 2 shots while I was grabbing my phone. Sierra, I had to answer the phone. Realized it wasn't my phone. Why my bitch calling your phone? Sierra, what the fuck going on? Me calling his phone. What the fuck going on?
Alright, I'm finna follow it. I'm finna follow you right now, gang.
What the fuck going on? Me calling his phone. Sierra.
Alright, we got some news coming in also in the market today.
Yo, who is?
Sierra.
Honestly, it ain't Sarah, nigga. Where's my phone? Nigga, better question is, why's my bitch calling your phone? Nigga, why was you at my home? She was getting me down, nigga. So Sierra. Bitch swap. Bitch swap. Bitch swap.
Alright, I think I got you, brother. Check and see if that's you. Graphics designer, is that you? Law of Eternity, LLC? Oh, we're about to get my Apex account funded, gang. Sierra.
Here we go. One more time, can't drop it to the floor. Here we go. One more time, can't drop it to the floor.
We about to close out that Lucy here in a minute. We about to close out this Apex right here in a second. Ah, let's go, cousin. Baby, I'm trying to figure this out. Hold on, y'all. Come on, bro. I didn't like that.
for the
No,
cash
that's
flow.
not a good look.
And yes, I'm nice, so I don't mean to be an asshole. And it's
We
some
just
reasons I've been
rejected off
dreaming about
that,
your
y'all.
ass, though. That's alright, cause I just need to stack this cash more. Look, I'm fully loaded with this ammo. So bitch don't play, I had to get it since the tap hole. A cold nigga, yeah, I've been up in my bag hole. Can't fumble about a bitch, you know I had to pass those. I put you to the test, but you ain't pass hole. Now you just my pass hole. I left you in the past, so no, we don't get along. On top of that, we gon' put the cherry on. My mama's back, yeah, we can't bring no carry on. Calibrate the clip, then I aim it at your face. Look, I was in the whip, doing AB on that shit. If they really had to talk, you know them niggas had to shit. And you know I had to walk, cause my niggas got a stick. I'm a pimp, baby, yeah, I've been a demon in the nighttime. Look, yeah, it's the reason that was wrong at the right time. Too much pain on my mind, so I really had to fight my demons in the nighttime. Yeah, you got demons that ain't like mine. I hit you back when it's the right time. You did me wrong at the right time. It's the end of this pipeline, and I ain't stepping on no landmines. I go to war when it's about mine. Your demons that ain't like mine, and it's the reason we was going back and forth trying to get even on the demons in the nighttime. Yeah, you got demons that were like mine. But your demons that don't like mine. Demons in the nighttime. Demon in the nighttime. Did me wrong at the right time. Demon in the
Alright, let's
nighttime.
go.
You got demons that don't like mine. You got
I
demons
got you
that
locked
like
in
mine.
too, brother.
Demon in the nighttime. Demon in the nighttime. Demon
How
in
we
the
looking on this,
nighttime.
man? It's an indecisive candle right there.
He wasn't doing that when I was in it. He wasn't doing that when you was winning. And now nigga done turned into a demon in the nighttime. But I'm an angel in the right mind. And I'm a neighbor bloody within this lifetime. In this crazy little world of mine. In this crazy little world of mine. Stuff to safe and leave the world behind just like I left your ass. I ain't got no time for you, little baby, left you in the past. Demon in these streets up on these niggas' heads. I don't give a fuck, I pull up on them, leave these niggas dead. Got a lot of feelings in my chest and I be seeing red. Murder what she wrote and that's that line, seen these niggas red. Cause I'm a demon in the night. She fiending for the pipe, y'all. Pull up on the kid. She bout to get wiped out. Shawty choosing us, she can stay on the side now. I don't give a fuck cause I'm a demon in the night now. I found my reasons in the right rhymes, yeah. I found my demons in the night time, yeah. I don't want girls so they don't get even.
This is gonna jump or what? Like, bro, I don't got all day. No. Come on! Like, bro, just like give us some money, bro. Like, we got kids, we got taxes, work. I'm long too, brother. I'm long too. I'm holding. I'm risking $400.
Feeling for the cash flow. And yes, I'm nice, so I don't mean to be an asshole. And there's some reasons I've been dreaming about your ass, though.
We're above that resistance at the bottom, but if we do go down there, bro, like shit, we better bounce. I haven't lost anything yet today, but knock on wood, we're gonna have a good day trading day today. 3 minutes left in this candle right here. I got no emotion. Drug in this moment. Yeah, I'm thinking about it, brother. I'm thinking about it. What's up, Young Jay in the building? Like a little brother to me right there. We do got previous day highs at the top green line. We got previous day lows here at the bottom. We got a weekly gap that just formed. There's a lot of shit going on right here. So shout out Jay. Shout out Jay. Asia is just a lot slower. You need to have a lot of confidence. It's not like New York volume. New York gonna be moving. But I have Actually, really good luck trading Asia for the most part. I only need $300 to get my Apex funded, Jay. My Apex right here. It's got 52.7 in there. Yeah, I'm in there with 5 micros. But it is fighting this point right here, man. Looks like we got a. Let me see. No, I don't like that close right there. See, the ugly close. Might come down and retest again. Really don't like that though. With 5 micros though, you are putting up big amount. You would say like money does move around that price range pretty quickly. We got a lot of different things going on here though. We came all the way up here and retested that resistance but could not break it. So let's get that push to the upside, baby. That's all we're looking for here. Need that big push. Let's go. We gotta poke up. It's not gonna work. How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? The Lord got me and he say that he loved me. You guys hear that? Sometimes in this market, you just gotta shut the fuck up and let that shit play out, bro.
45 for protection, gotta stay on my flat. The Lord right beside me, he with every step. Won't be down for too long, I know it's only a test.
You already know, brother.
I don't play by the rules, I carry them tools. You don't wanna see them get loose. Tell them get the truth, I get a game, every excuse. I changed how I move and watch my situation improve. Cause I've been through fire, body fully covered in wounds. Lived as a lie, and
still got this area right here. We don't want to come down and yeah, I did. This right here.
I see money don't buy you loyalty. Money might get you wrecked. Money don't mean you royalty. Money don't mean respect. I put my
move right there.
muscle up to the sky. The Lord told me to take a shot. I hit him right in the eye. There ain't no way.
Any spike in volume like that. We got about 2 more minutes in this candlestick. Let's go to our 1 minute. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, that was a pretty big wick up to the upside, if you didn't notice that. We're on the 1 minute now. Looks like we do. I mean, you could say that it is a 1 minute fair value gap. If you really did want to draw it, this is what it would look like.
Feeling for the cash flow, and yes, I'm nice, so I don't mean to be.
This is what it would look like if we really did. Which it looks like it came back in, retested the 1 minute. There we go. There's that breakout we're looking for. There's that breakout we're looking for. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Young Water reporting you live with some more action. Jay, scared money don't make money, nigga. Come on. No, I'm just playing. I'm just trying to get this Apex funded. I need $300. I'm not really tripping, bro. It is what it is. I'm about to get this shit funded right now. Let's go back to our 5 minute. Bang, 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 Niner gang, son. Let's go. So look, here's my Apex right here, right? So once this hits 3,000, we gotta flatten this Apex. So we need 100 more bucks. We hit 53,000. We close the Apex. We get a funded account. This is why I do this. He said he needs to play these evals safe, bro. Look at this. Like, look how many accounts I'm running. Scared money don't make money, little brother. Come on. You know what you're doing. You're a smart kid. If you want to pull up and trade with me, brother, pull up. Come on. We got to hit this right here. We got to hit 53,000 on my Apex to get that funded. We need 53,000. We're about $150 short. Chart's moving a little. Ooh, what? There's the 1 minute. Bounced off the 1 minute. Boom, there's some resistance there. That's that 1 minute fair value gap that we drew out together. Is it going to bounce off that? Good job, good job, good job. Proud of you. We're bouncing on that 1 minute fair value gap that I drew out. But here's that rejection, hopefully. And then we'll be pushing towards the upside. So, yeah. I mean, here we go. That was a nice rejection. We don't want it to go back down, though. Because it is playing with us for the most part. After that, we can even grab our Fibonacci tool, anchor it here at the bottom to this high. 79 retracements even down over here. So it's already at golden pocket, already past golden pocket area. So I'm not scared to hold this for a long position because we already bounced off resistance. One more bounce, third one's breakout. So let's see what happens. I'm not really too stressing about that little down wig. I'm not gonna lie. I am gonna move my stop loss back to underneath that anchor 1, 475 in the risk. We are up on the day. I need to get another push towards to the upside. Good job, law of eternity. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I love to hear. Gang, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And that's what it's really all about. Having fun. Making money. And having fun. Just looking at my levels here. Daily high. So just remember, daily highs have to get retested. That's why I have my take profit up there. We're up 80. We need to close this Apex out. Already took a trade earlier, bro. I messed up. I had to write it back down into profits. I only took $130 off that last trade, Jay. But we had a really nice rejection, ladies and gentlemen, as you can tell off the 1 minute fair value gap that joined. That's why I like to bounce back and forth from the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frame. There's a lot of things that appear and reappear and that you need to pay attention to. So just as you can tell, we're trying to get back up here towards the top. We're on the 1 minute time frame. Fibonacci tool was drawn. Boom. Boom, closed high, here we come, up 150, 170. Let's get ready to close this. We don't need too much. We need about $300. We need about 80 bucks. We need about 80 bucks, 60 bucks. Come on, we need to hit 3,000 profit target. We need 3,000 profit target on my Apex, guys. See how we're looking. We had another rejection. Yo, can we pass you, buddy? Oh, we're still on 1 minute. So I'm like, what the heck? So 5 minute. Boom. I don't know. I hate that. That candle is so ugly to me. Apex 50K. We are right here. Let's refresh this page. We don't want to have any goosebumps. We're going to get ready to flatten this. We need 53,000 on this account. We need 53,000 on this account. We need 53,000 on this account. Let's go. So close about 70 bucks, 40 bucks. 40 bucks. 40 bucks. 280. Come on. 40 bucks. Let's get that 40 bucks. 40 bucks. 40 bucks. 40 bucks. 40 bucks. 40 bucks. Close. Boom! Apex pass! Apex pass! Let's go! Let's go check the chart. And we're going, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Gang, let's go. That's why we do this. Gang, let's go. Boy, boom, boom, boom. Apex funded. Apex funded. Apex funded. Woo! So that's how I'm coming, Jay. You feel me? No matter what, cousin. No matter what. Let's go with the breakout, gang. Let's go with the breakout, big bang! Well, that's about 500 though. Stop playing. We gotta break through this resistance. If we break through this resistance, it's gonna be crazy, bro. We up 5 ball. We up a 5 ball. Come on, candle's gonna close here soon. All right, order filled. Boom. We out of there. All right, we secured a $300 across all my accounts. Let's take a look at this and what it looks like for the day real quick. Boom. Let's go. Just like that. Just like that. Boom. Boom. Let's go to Apex. We got a funded account now, which is such a blessing. Please make sure. All right, we gotta wait for this to update, but it is done. We see how we just needed $300 more. You see that? I'll go to my trade sinker. Apex, $53,032. We have a funded account. All right, guys. Boom. Boom. was beautiful. That was beautiful. Very proud of myself. I'm gonna wait now for another entry now. We want to wait for that retest up at the top or that retest up at the bottom. If it's going to break down towards the downside or break up towards the upside, we are about to wait and get a better entry, guys. Because it could come down to this 7-9 level that we drew with our 1 minute. Let's go to our 1 minute. Boom. Let's zoom out. Let's delete all this bullshit over here. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so let's towards the upside. We got a spike. We're coming down. We're gonna retest. 5 minute. Boom. All right, we're gonna wait and hold and see if we get that breakout towards the downside, or we're gonna go keep going long. All right. That was insane. What are you holding? Law of Eternity, talk to me. What are you doing, brother? Are you in a long position or are you in a short position? How are you doing, gang? Talk to me. How are you doing? Looks like we are 58 RSI. It may come down and retest, which it looks like that's what it's doing. We had our high. It's gonna get a little scalp going because I'm thinking it's gonna come down and that's ridiculous. We should have really went in for a long. Did I really just press short? Oh shit. This is why I do not scalp. This is why I do not scalp at all. This is why I don't. I fucked up. Should be coming down to retest. Not even kidding. But for the most part, I'm gonna get the fuck out of this trade as soon as it just closes this gap just a little bit. I'm gonna hold my dick and my short. Bro, I got into a short by mistake over here, just messing around, playing with my pickle, like, too, just like you, bro. Like, that's stupid. I'm about to just take, like, this $50 loss right here, $80 loss, whatever. I don't want this. Asia opening in 4 minutes. We got Asia opening in 4 minutes. We got Asia opening in 4 minutes. Asia's about to open in 3 minutes. Yo. Trying to find some good music for y'all, bro. Brody, we got Asia about to open. Hopefully we get this push towards the downside so we don't have to retest. Brody. Alright, this is what I was afraid of. I don't want that reversal retest at the top because we did retest once, twice. Here we go. For this short. Alright, we don't want to get scared. We don't want to get scared, man. My bad, y'all. I'm gonna fuck that up for myself, to be honest with you. Should have just never got in that. To be real, we need that rejection. All right, we just got that bounce off. We got that bounce off. We don't want to break through. Asia about to open. Asia about to open. How much are we even up, bro? About to fucking crash out. Oh my god. Come on, Asia just opened. Try to get the fuck out of this trade right here. Please push me towards profits, please. Alright, I'm out of that trade. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm out of that trade. I'm out of that trade. I'm not gonna risk it. I'd rather take a little L, but then boom, look. As soon as I get out. As soon as I fucking get out, bro. Anyways, let's wait. We're in the way. It's retesting. It's retesting. Retesting resistance. Retesting. If we break below, we're going to be looking for shorts. We're going to see what happens. If you're still holding that short, brother, get ready to get the hell out of there. That's all I got to say. Just rejected off rejection. Just rejected off support. Look at our 1 minute. Okay, our 1 minute. We got a fair value gap that just formed on our 1 minute. It's going to come up and retest that. Let's go ahead and draw that out. Boom, boom, boom. What I say, gang. Back to our 5 minute. It's going to come back, retest that, and hopefully towards the upside. That 1 minute fair value gap. We're on a 5 minute now. Is that 170? We're gonna wait for New York when play with our funded apex. It's as simple as that, gang. Our take profit for this is gonna be at this top wick. At the top of resistance. How about that? We'll do one more for long. Average in our position. All right, here we go. We just got into that 1 minute fair value gap that formed. Just broke through. Get everyone that's scared out of that trade. And then we just bounced right back after they took out all those orders. We're risking 200 bucks. If we lose this trade, we are going to get out of this market and just know that we passed our apex, and that's all I am happy about, is that we passed our apex account. It is now a funded account. Tomorrow when it resets, I'll be able to trade with a funded account with no consistency. Other than that, here we'll risk 260. We're bouncing off. We need that rejection. No. Rejection. No. Yes. Come on, baby. Bringing this down to, damn, 276. That'll flush us out, but then we'll have a new day to trade tomorrow. All right, let's do this. One more minute. Don't do it. Reverse, reverse. We got resistance right there. Reverse, reverse. We got resistance right there. I need you to reject. Reject for us. Reject for us. Reject for us. Need that candle to come on. What are we at? RSI 53. All right, gang. If we lose this trade, I'm getting offline. I really hope we do bounce off. It looks like we got a little ejection. That's a really good sign. Minimize our losses. Try to make some money. And once again, this is why I do not scalp. This is why I wait for A+ setups. Because this is how they get you to lose your ass. I'm not even gonna lie. All right, let's go. Let's go to the upside. So look at our 1 minute. Boom. So we do got resistance here. It's playing with us. Might get taken out. Don't do it. We got taken out. All right, so that is that. We're done trading for the day. It looks like if we do break this resistance down over here, that is a short position. It just depends on where this candle closes. Right? That's all it is. Got another rejection there. Good job. Good job. I hope you made some money. You. So we did spike right back up, if you guys could tell. We retested that support and we couldn't break up over it. So let's go back to 5 minutes, see what it looks like. That's what we're looking like here on the 5 minute. We broke out. It's breaking out now. If we pulled our stop loss down, could have been good, but we don't want to risk too much. So we had another rejection there. This candle closed below. No. This one did though. No, it didn't. It about did. Let me draw our fib real quick. See what that looks like. Hit 7.9 on the 5 minute. Actually went a little bit below 7.9. It should be going up. I get scared though. We hit 7.9 retracement on my 5 minute Fibonacci. So we just get this account in the positives. All of them. It doesn't reset. It's just too much fees, bro. Stop 135. All right, need that breakout. All right, we're in 5 lots. Let's go. Let's get this real quick, brother. All right, we got our Fibonacci retracement. Taking profit to the top of the fib. If that does play out, shit. Look at that. It's flaming me. Oh, I'm getting tired. Stuff is straining sometimes. Not gonna lie. Need that breakout to the upside, gang. Stop playing around in that resistance box. Stop loss. We don't want to hit it though. Risk 300 on this trade. Yeah, that's what I feel. I put the TP near the wick. That's what's going on though. Should be going up for top. All right, just remember we got that weekly gap that formed. We do eventually need to fill that gap. I don't know if it's going to be today. I don't know if it's going to be tomorrow. But we will fill that gap eventually. I want this push to the upside, please. God. 530. Damn, son. You bottom take that, bro. Good stuff. Shit's crazy, son. Let's go. We need to make some money, bro. We really need to make some fucking money. Shit. There's the resistance. Gonna blast through it or what? Like, come on. I'm trying to have you guys blast through this shit with me. There it goes, retesting it. You know, come back down. It's having trouble, obviously, but like, bro. I gotta go pick up my kids. Hella shit going on. I'm just trying to make some more money, bro. We've been streaming for about 2 hours. We're fighting this resistance point. If we can break through that, we will be in really good shape. Yes, I can be there around 7 o'clock. I'm just gonna go to the gym real quick. I actually was able to pass my Apex account. It has the profit target in there of $53,000, so now it's a funded account. I'm pretty excited about that. All right, gang, we got in for 5 now. Let's wait for this reversal. We kind of just averaged in. We averaged in, gang. Let's go, Waddy. I got some snacks here. Some nice. Something good's gonna happen. I just feel it. We need that breakout. We need that breakout. We need that breakout to the upside, baby. Need that breakout. Come on, yo. Please. on, gang. We got 1 more minute in this candle. It's rejecting off resistance. Got 1 more minute in this candlestick. It's not what we want at the end of that stick, bro. It's about to close out like that. Are you serious? Come up. Got about a minute left. Couple seconds, I think. So it couldn't close below, but it's still a pretty sellers are in control of that one. Sellers are in control. Push up to the upside, please, for us. We're in that resistance box. We are in that resistance box. We got all our positions open. We should be getting some profits. It's not enough far. We're in that resistance box. We're in that resistance box. We need that breakout towards the upside, and then we'll be golden. If we break down, we're risking about $300. Let's get up, so we can get some profits in this. Gold is selling, he says. That's very decisive here. Come on, breakout. We gonna do it. We gonna go up. There we go. Come on, don't be shy. Don't be shy, my friend. Oh, hell no. Gotta get your ass back up there, cousin. Take some fucking out of this trade, bro. Shit. Oh. Coming down to retest, and look at that. Look at that. Good thing we got out of that trade. So now 5 minute. We'll wait for a good entry. I'm trying to get some more lots. How we doing, guys? How are we doing? How are we doing? Looks like we're coming down. We might retest, we might not. That candle closed pretty low. I'm down about $150. I don't know if we're gonna come down. Retest down over here. Wow. Um, boom. There it goes. There goes the retest. We need that pullback. There's that bounce. That resistance right there. This is where it comes back to over here. So we're breaking down. Need that pullback anytime now. Slight pullback. We need to push towards the upside. Slight rejection. I gotta keep in mind I'm copy trading on all these accounts. I have to be more careful when I'm doing this scalping bullshit, which I don't really approve of really much. I really don't. Are we gonna go up and retest those highs or what? We're so close to it, Asia. Like, what's up with that candle, bro? That candle's pissing me off. We need a green candle going up. Like, what? Need that rejection. We need that pullback. What is going on? Oh, Lord. Okay, we're fighting it. We got 2 minutes. Oh, my God. Whoa. Really don't like that, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? So nasty, bro. Bro, what the fuck? Oh my god. That shit was disgusting, bro. Shit gonna go down again or what? Yo, this shit got me sweating, boy. I shouldn't even got in this shit, no lie. Cause now it's breaking down underneath that resistance. We do got a breakout. I am tempted to reverse my position. Um, it might spike up though. You feel me? So I'm just trying to keep it gangster, bro. I'm really just trying to keep it a gangster with y'all, bro. Because this weekly gap's not that big. It could come back and just refill that real quick before it shoots up for daily highs, and that's what I'm scared of. Like, pro. Yes, buyers take control. Buyers take control, please. Come on, buyers. I'm just out of that resistance zone. Candle's gonna close in 2 minutes. Really need that push to the upside. Come on, we really need this. That's why we have our resistance zones drawn out, everybody. If you got in that buy down at the bottom, you're in good shape. This candle's gonna close in 2 minutes. This is a nice big candle. It's what we're looking for before we lose any hope. Really need this to go up. Let's go, baby. We believe in it. We believe in it. We got our resistance zones. It's trying to get up over it. It already broke through the top and broke through the bottom. Hopefully we can push towards the upside. That's all I really need, though, to be honest. I need a big candle push. Be all right. Need a big push to the upside right now. That's what we're waiting for. Get a test previous day highs, guys. sir. For the most part, it does look like it did not close above, but we're still in way better shape than we were. So, see what happens. I'm gonna get going to the gym here shortly. I would really like to get some positive accounts before I head out the door. Savage that with one more. Bring this down right over here. We'll take 200 and split. Hoping for that. That'd be a beautiful recovery. We're not asking the market for too much. Not much at all, if you ask me. But from being down $400, we're down about 40 now. Bring this back up. Bring this back up to the middle point. So we only risk 200. We did come all the way down and sweep liquidity. We swept liquidity. We swept liquidity. We have 3 minutes until this candle closes. If we can get towards the side, I'll be very happy with this trade. See what happens. Where's the buyers coming in? We need the buyers to come in, take us to the next level, which is that resistance. Looks like we bounced right off of it at the top. Fighting that area right here. It's the area of resistance. Next resistance zone is where we were at last. We got 2 more minutes in this candle. It's trying to make its way through the next zone. And I believe that's where we had that 1 minute fair value gap, if you ask me. Let's go to our 1 minute. And yeah, big, big, big. We should have a push to the upside. I really hope we do. Don't like to look at that. But let's go ahead and go for 5 minutes. So we're finally jumping now. Finally blasting through. They don't want to get too greedy, but we're going to take that. And now we're up on all our accounts. I mean, shit, we could have even held that. It's too choppy. It's too choppy. It's too choppy, all right? It's choppy waters. We broke resistance. So look, guys, I'm up on all my accounts. I got my Apex funded. I'm satisfied for now. I mean, this is not great. We were up 4,000 earlier. We did take some retarded decisions, but there you go. Maybe we can trade later today. But look at that. Look at that. Insane work. Insane work. We would have been up so much bread right now. So boom, let's get rid of this one. We got a 5-minute. This one, if this candle closes, if it does, then so we got a lot of time left. Oh. I don't know why Apex won't let me transfer it to funded. It's not popping up, so it'll pop up tomorrow at 3. 'Every time I go. 2 more minutes. 140. And I should have never gotten that. I should have waited for a setup. But that's what I get. But we didn't get swept. We didn't get swept. It's all that matters. Tired, guys. It's fucking tired. I'm so damn tired, dude. I'm so damn tired. Let's go. Let's push. Let's Switch to the upside, you weasel. Was that a fakie? I don't like that shit. Oh, you was just up there, boy. What was that about? You was sick about it or what? That boy was like, maybe. That's retarded, bro. These losses. And then it's just gonna start dropping like that, bro. Like, that's ridiculous. My ass need to go to the gym. Shit be going up to retest previous day highs. 40-80% there. Like, I really think it's on its way up. I really do. Oh my god, we don't want to retest the resistance. Really don't want to go back down there, cousin. Like, please, can we start making some ground to the next resistance? Like, please, cousin. Like, right here is cool. I'll be hella happy. Last time we had that scenario, boom, boom. And it did go up. Are you cereal? Are you cereal? Are you cereal? Are you cereal? We just trying to get out of this trading it, make $100+ because we're some savages. All right, cousin, what's the deal? Like, make up your damn mind. Down and up. Asia is just pissing me off right now. We might have to wait for New York in the morning to actually get a nice setup with nice motion, volume, because Asia be playing chess, bro. I don't know what's on their mind, but it's definitely not volume, bro. They got something on their mind. It's probably like sushi or something, but it's not volume. I'll tell you that right now. I'll tell you that right now. Let's go, let's go. Here's that push we're looking for. Let's go, here's that push we're looking for. Here's that push we're looking for. Let's go, 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 let's go. Let's go, Asia. Let's go, Asia. Let's go, Asia. Oh, give me that, Asia. Oh, Asia. Come on, Asia. Come on, Asia. Alright, we're coming at, I'm not gonna lie. This shit really gonna come to the next resistance level. It really is. Let's target some motion. I swear to God, gang, fucking trade. Yeah, I swear to God. Should have got in again, bro. I'll be getting so tempted when I think it's gonna hit resistance. Like, look, bro. Oh my God, that's so ugly. Right there at the top, too. Oh my God. Waddy, stop. What are you doing, soldier? How much are we? Oh shit, I'm retarded for that one. Let's get after it. Let's get after it. This fucking got in at the top, bro. It's redonkulous. Yes. Yes. Look at that close. Don't do that, my friend. We want to go up. We want to go up. Next candle. I don't like shit like that, but we close above both those other ones. So shit. Stop loss. There it is. 214. Where's that at? Oh my god. It's a lot. Alright, baby. Gonna get a little push to the upside. Make Wadeezzyyyy real happy, alright? Nice little push. And we're out of there. Oh. Alright, I'm going to the gym. Peace out. I'm going to wait for the morning to get better volume and a better setup. I appreciate everybody in the stream. Thank you, everybody. I love you, everybody. Peace out. Here I go. And this is what we did today. We were able to pass the apex. It's right here. Oh, shit. I didn't turn it off? Oh, my God. What am I doing? I need another $100? What am I doing? Alright. That was ridiculous. Dude, that shit's crazy to me, dude. 53,000 apex. I should have got off that shit. What am I thinking? Oh my god, bro. That's just sickening to me. I forgot to turn that apex off. I would have woke up tomorrow. That shit would not have been funded. Boom, on the dot, 53,000. Now let's flatten off. Let's take that. Boom, we're up $3,000 for the day. Now we're off trade C. Okay. Look at that play out. Wow. Wow. Bro, that scared everybody, bro. That is insane to me. That is insane. All right, guys. As you can tell here, we're up over $3,000. We got my Apex funded. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Let's get this picture for the gram. Boom. All right, let's go back to trade C. Oh my God. Yo, I'm sick. Yo, that's crazy. crazy. This thing really might start blowing up. That's crazy. Yo.
Gotta have patience with this shit.